We're going to take a look at this Panasonic RX-4920 stereo boombox, ghetto blaster, jam box, radio, whatever you want to call it. It's very clean. Doesn't have like a lot of like scratches or anything like that. There are a few little scuffs there. You can see the overall really nice condition. The antenna is good all the way up, no bends or anything. Good handle. Look at the back real quick. It does come with the power cord that's plugged in right now. Also does have the battery cover. And the battery compartment looks clean. I don't see any corrosion in there. I do see a twist tie though. And as far as operation of it goes, it does very well on radio mode. Radio mode works great. The main thing I wanted to show in this video though is the cassette mode, because it does not work perfectly. Now this is a recording I made 5 minutes ago of a Red Hot Chili Peppers song. And listen to how it sounds. You can hear it's dragging and levels are all over the place. So there's definitely issues there. It plays the transport. It appears to play fine. Also, I can go fast forward fine. What it won't do though is when I hit rewind, it goes like just a second and then it stops. So there's an issue with that. There might be a belt or something, I don't know. Probably needs all new belts really. So I was able to record though and then play back some amount of sound though. So like I said, I think it's probably a belt. Now the way I did, once I recorded, the way I did get it back to the start, I flipped it over and hit fast forward. And now that's stuck. Okay, fast forward is now stuck. There, okay, it popped out. So yeah, we have, okay, now it's fast forwarding. I'm glad that happened, so you can see that there are definitely issues with the tape mechanism. So yeah, this is the Panasonic RX-4920. There's a headphone jack I think here. Yeah, phones. Let's see what other inputs does it have. I think that's it. So thanks for watching.